Hello, my name is Laura. I live in my van that I converted myself, and I travel with Snuffkin and my 2 guinea pigs. So why don't you join me on my adventures? Here on my channel, Destination Unknown. You're wearing pants. Hey, nice pants. What are you doing? Oi. Whose idea was this? The fuck? Hello guys, it's midsummer in Sweden and I'm at my friend's cabin in the woods again, and we've made flower crowns. They're drooping a bit now, and we're parked in the forest near their cabin, and we got a party and we're gonna have a jacuzzi. So yeah, just come back to check on these and give them some food. Walk through the forest to the cabin. So I'm finally trying to do something a bit better for this. I've clipped a hole in this, and this just wraps around, and then another one to support it, so I don't have to worry about him falling out the tunnel every time he goes in and out. Secure. Whee. Whee. Hello guys. I dyed my hair last week and I got a new piercing. But I think I have COVID right now. I went out in town with my friends last weekend and I've been really ill all week. I'm just feeling like good enough to sit up and like read while I watch Snufkin in the run instead of just laying in the sofa or whatever. It's now July and it's still cold. I've got my hoodie on. It feels like autumn. We had like floods in town the other day. And I was meant to go for my MOT and my van wouldn't start. All the lights came up and the motor was acting weird. And then I tried it again the day after, because I mean I was really ill, so I weren't going anywhere anyway. And then the battery sign came up, so now we've got the battery on charge.
I mean, I hadn't drove it really in like a week, but strange for it to just die. But hopefully if I can get it working, I can get it to a mechanic and then book another MOT. But it's summer in Sweden and everywhere is booked or no one's working, because as usual the whole summer everyone just like don't work. Like it shuts down, so there's queues everywhere at the places that are open, like a month or two. So I hope I can get it sorted before like September, because I have to be in England by early October. I've booked a flight for this concert in August for Corn, because there's no way I'm going to be driving in like 3 weeks in time. So I booked a flight and I'm going for like 4 days to do my concert and then just come back again, and then yeah, then drive back at some point. Probably spend like my birthday and like autumn in England, and then I want to go like somewhere else for winter. I really don't feel like being in the cold again this year. Like we barely had any summer as well. I'm not ready for winter. So yeah, that's my plans. I haven't bought another house out here, even though that was my plan, because I feel like there's not really much out there at the moment and I don't have enough time. So I'm thinking I will do it next spring or whenever I come back, because I feel like too rushed at the moment. I just want to like enjoy not having to worry about that kind of thing, even though I'm paying for a storage unit like £100 a month, but it's still less than like paying for the house bills for like nothing. I know I was gonna rent out a house, but yeah, I mean I can wait a few months, I've decided, so yeah. I'm a bit red still, obviously I've been blowing my nose. But it's looking pretty good. That's the old one. Yeah.
Arizona, vi har Butch Cassidy här i River City.
Hey Sheriff, jag kan berätta om bilden till där. Jag kan visa vad fängelse.